Welcome to the Slop Farm. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will show how to make vegetable pickle with vinegar. Pickling vegetables at home is surprisingly simple and incredibly rewarding. You'll learn to transform fresh produce into tangy, flavorful treats using just a few basic ingredients and a straightforward process. This guide will help you create delicious, crunchy pickles that are perfect for snacking or adding to your favorite meals, all without any fuss. To begin your pickling adventure, gather your core ingredients: fresh vegetables like cucumbers or carrots, white vinegar, water, pickling salt, and a touch of sugar. You'll also need clean glass jars with tight-fitting lids, a saucepan for your brine, and measuring cups. For extra zest, think about adding whole spices such as dill seeds, garlic cloves, or black peppercorns to your jars. First, thoroughly wash and prepare your chosen vegetables, slicing them into uniform pieces for even pickling. Next, create your brine by combining 1 part vinegar with 1 part water, adding 2 tablespoons of pickling salt and 1 tablespoon of sugar per cup of liquid. Bring this mixture to a boil. Carefully pack your prepared vegetables into the clean jars, then pour the hot brine over them, ensuring they are fully submerged. Once your jars are filled, seal them tightly with their lids and let them cool completely to room temperature on your counter. After cooling, transfer your freshly pickled vegetables to the refrigerator. While they are technically ready to enjoy after just 24 hours, their flavors will deepen and improve over a few days. These delightful homemade pickles can be stored in the refrigerator for up to 2 months.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.